Where are you going? To the pool? Make a left. Your left hand, right there, this way. Then you make a right. Go that way. Come, you come this way.
Hi, Malika.
What you going to lose? Guys, welcome back to another video. We have another hotel room tour for you guys. So as you guys know, we are in Calgary. The previous hotel that we are staying at, we were there for quite a few nights actually, but the time has expired there. So now we are checked into a different hotel. So why not give you guys a tour of what this hotel room is looking like. This one is not as sweet like the last one. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to my small hotel room. So the last one we had a suite. This one is just a room, guys. So as we enter in, here's the bathroom. Pretty basic, but no complaints. It's nice and clean. Pretty much the same kind of shower and everything that was at the previous one, but on a smaller scale. Here you just have a small mini rack. You have a mini fridge. This has got a microwave. There you go. And then you have a king size bed, but this one we also have a couch bed, pull out bed. You have a TV, standard, nothing fancy, alto desk here, and so forth, so on. Molly, are you tired? No? So why are you already in bed? Why are you already in bed? You don't know? Yeah. So this is what our home is looking like for the next couple nights. And that's the view of the city.
I'm in my bed.
You're in your bed?
Yeah.
Okay, baby. We're on the northeast side of Calgary. We were staying on the northwest. Now we're on the other side of the city, trying to explore what this city is all about from different perspective. Right? So just a quick little room tour here. This hotel has a fitness center and a pool. Gonna take you guys. Oh, it should be in the bag. The bag with the bottles and stuff. It must have fallen out of the car then.
No, it's not here. So
Yeah. This hotel has a pool, a fitness center as well. So when we go to the pool, I'll take you guys along, show you guys what that looks like. You're using a pita short to comb my hair?
Yeah.
What kind of hairstyle are you giving me?
A beautiful hairstyle.
A beautiful hairstyle, okay. The things I go through.
Daddy, I need you a pretty hairstyle.
A pretty hairstyle, okay. So this is the indoor pool for the hotel that we're at, guys. Definitely gonna take the girls here and dip her feet a little bit. What's really funny, guys, is the fact that this hotel is a lot cheaper than the one that we were at before. It's just $180 per night here, and let me tell you guys, it's a lot more comfortable, a lot more cozy than that expensive one that we were at previously. Yeah, it also has a little mini fitness center. Not super elaborate, but effective enough. You have a treadmill, you have a bench, you have an elliptical, well, you have an elliptical and a cycling machine, and you have dumbbells. Let's see, what's the heaviest this dumbbell goes up to? Oh, 25 pounds. 20, okay. Not bad. Could be better, but it's a hotel, right? So this is the best that you're gonna have. And that's the view of outdoor from the gym. Nice sunny afternoon. Probably gonna come in and put in a little shift later on today as well in the gym or in the fitness center.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high.
You think you're a baby? Are you still a baby?
Oh, you ordered. Yo? How old are you? 3. I thought you were 5. No, not yet. Yes. Yes. When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
October. Good job.
When is your sister's birthday? You remember that one?
Guys, so it's the next day. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we're going to have breakfast. So this hotel you get complimentary breakfast with your stay, so we're all hungry. So we're going down to see, oh yeah, pass a little bit of this. We're going down to see what's on the menu today. Guys, let me tell you something. As a Jamaican, I'm telling you guys that listen, this Nigerian food right here, this jollof rice and grilled chicken. Listen, I used to say rice and peas is by far better than jollof, and you know the best food in the world and so forth so on. But I'm telling you this, guys,
Stop tapping me.
that jollof rice here kind of make me reconsider. Absolutely. Yeah, man. This good, better, no?
No.
You know, make a reconsider rice and peas better.
No, rice and peas, but I've always put rice and peas above, although I don't like rice and peas. But this jollof rice tastes really good. Really, really good.
Shellings, guys. Shellings.